From this video, you will get tips to prepare for the Appian Lead Developer ACD301 exam and share free practice exam. What is the Appian Lead Developer ACD301 exam? Who should take the Appian Lead Developer exam? Appian Lead Developer ACD301 exam information. ACD301 exam objectives. 1. When strategizing document generation, which techniques ensure high performance and scalability? A. Generating all documents in real time. B. Pre-generating documents during off-peak hours. C. Caching frequently accessed documents. D. Limiting document customization options. Answer: B, C. 2. In Appian governance, what is crucial for ensuring adherence to best practices in development? A. Implementing an open-door policy with no structured reviews. B. Limiting the use of automated testing tools. C. Encouraging teams to bypass governance for faster delivery. D. Enforcing a strict protocol for peer reviews and audits. Answer: D. 3. Why is understanding the platform's enterprise architecture important for multiple application deployment? A. It helps in avoiding any customization. B. It ensures that each application can operate independently. C. It enables optimal resource allocation. D. It prevents integration with legacy systems. Answer: C. 4. How can one effectively troubleshoot performance issues in high-volume database structures? Choose 2. A. Rebuilding indexes periodically. B. Reducing server memory allocation. C. Optimizing SQL queries. D. Increasing physical storage capacity. Answer: A, C. 5. What time management practices are essential for applications developed on a common platform? A. Aligning all applications to the same maintenance schedule. B. Using different schedules for each application. C. Ignoring external time synchronization. D. Standardizing on UTC for all timestamp records. Answer: D. 6. How should load testing be performed to ensure it accurately reflects real-world usage? A. Testing with a limited number of scenarios. B. Simulating a variety of user interactions. C. Running tests only during off-peak hours. D. Ignoring external system interactions. Answer: B. 7. Which techniques are essential for monitoring applications to detect issues before they affect users? Choose 2. A. Reactive monitoring after users report problems. B. Proactive system health checks. C. Utilizing predictive analytics. D. Periodic review of user feedback. Answer: B, C. 8. What are the factors to evaluate when deciding whether to use existing plugins or develop custom plugins for Appian? Choose 2. A specific business needs that cannot be met by existing plugins. B. Availability of development resources. C. The color scheme of the user interface. D. Compliance and security requirements. Answer: A, D. 9. Which approach helps in scaling comprehensive Appian applications effectively? A. Increasing the number of process models. B. Decoupling processes and data. C. Consolidating reports into a single interface. D. Limiting API usage. Answer: B. 10. What is a proactive approach to troubleshooting platform-based issues? A. Waiting for users to report problems. B. Ignoring minor. C. Regularly monitoring system performance. D. Increasing the frequency of system backups. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.